friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Ultimea Apollo P40 projector. So friend, Ultimea has proud to introduce its latest innovation, the Apollo P40 1080p native projector. And the main value proposition of the projector is to bring the cinema experience to home, and with its outstanding feature, this projector promises to provide an unparalleled viewing experience for both home entertainment and professional presentation, and bring the cinema home with stunning brightness, uniformity. 80% higher brightness uniformity brings more details on 4 edges even in the ambient light, and Frenety 1920 into 1080 pixels 4K support, and HDR delivers clear and sharp pictures without saturation. High transfective mirror, premium LCD panel with fully solid optics and 6-layer lens improve the brightness to 700 ANSI lumens, and friend bring the smart projection home. This smart projector adopts autofocus and plus or minus 50-degree digital keystone correction, and friend the P40 features 5G dual-band Wi-Fi technology for faster transmission and lower latency, ensuring a smooth viewing experience, and built-in two-way Bluetooth 5.0 for easy syncing soundbars or Bluetooth speakers to boost a cinema-like experience. And friend, the large cavity speaker built with DSP 10-watt large audio cavity design, built-in DSP chip which provides high treble and deep bass without the need for external speakers, and built-in two-way Bluetooth 5.0 for easy connecting with your smartphones, and the Wi-Fi projector turns into a private speaker in seconds. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.